Hey guys, it's Caleb Pickett with Lake Wylie MarineMax. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX. So on the outside of this boat, on the exterior color is a Sea Ray blue, and on the inside it is stone gray. And couple features about this boat, the whole way through the interior you have this fantastic sea deck, easy to clean as well. So it also comes with a blue LED lighting package. So if you're at night, it looks fantastic. Here on this side has the 3-position lounger, so no matter how you want to sit, it's fantastic. And over here at the captain's helm, we have a touchscreen Simrad screen here, upgraded stereo system, tons of speakers everywhere. Also, if you wanted to ski or wakeboard or anything on this boat, it comes with a sports tower, so great for pulling any kind of water sports. And up here at the bow, it comes with the bow filler cushion. This is removable if you want a more traditional bow, but with it in, it turns this whole area into a great sun lounging spot. So again, it's Caleb Pickett with Lake Wylie MarineMax. If you have any questions, I'd love to help you out. Thank you.